So hi, today's tip is about the true purpose of resistance. Now, if you've been following my work at all, you probably know that, one of my I was going to say fascinations, but it's probably not quite the right word. One of my deep inquiries has been into wanting to understand resistance and why it is that we don't follow through on what we're on earth to do and what we love to do and what we're inspired to do. So deep has been my inquiry that I actually wrote a book a few years ago called Resisting Your Soul, which was 101 kind of insights and tips into resistance. And I guess the bottom line that I realized is this, that the purpose of resistance is, the word sounds pretty big really, but the word is to incapacitate us. So my belief is that we are here on earth to do something beautiful, precious, help return this world to love and do something beautiful here. And our resistance wants to stop us doing that. So whatever it is that our soul knows we were born to do, our ego will try and stop us. So that incapacitation can take so many different forms, from addictions, addictions to drama, to feeling depressed, to watching stuff on the television or the internet, to alcohol or substances, or anything that just stops us doing our work. I can be addicted to feeling depressed at times and to feeling fed up or miserable. Anything that incapacitates us can, not necessarily is, but can be a form of resistance. But that's the thing to get. If you have behavior over and over again, and the result of that behavior is that you don't do what you know you're on earth to do, there's a good chance that's a form of resistance. But I think it's really helpful to recognize that that's the bottom line. Our soul wants to do what it was born to do, what we were born to do, and our ego is trying to stop us doing that by varying levels of incapacitation. So I hope that insight helps you recognize where you maybe stop yourself, so that you can recognize there is resistance, so that you can go beyond it.